Alright, Shalom.
Shalom.
First, we'd like to begin by giving our praises to Yahweh,
Hashem
Ba'ashem,
Yahushai,
Yahushai,
Ba'ashem
Ba'ashem,
Rakakwadash.
We're going to say that belongs to the apostles of the ministers to not move well. Peace and blessing to the brothers that purchase through in sincerity and in truth. And the brother Howard and brother Kwam from GMS Trinidad. And we get to do a little video on the recompense, on Esau. Right? Because we know that the kingdom to come, Israel will not inherit it. But before we inherit that, Esau had to pay for all the wicked he do.
You have a bill.
Yeah, you can.
You have a bill, and the bill going about for a long time it's been going into a race.
Right? Yeah, you scripture tell you give unto them double. Revelation 18, right? Yeah, you tell you give unto them double. Right? So we get into the scripture here. You have a scripture. You have a precept. This is the book of Ezekiel 25 and 12. It says, Thus saith Yahweh power, because that Edom had dealt against the house of Judah by taking vengeance, and had greatly offended and revenged himself upon them. Therefore, thus saith Yahweh power, I will also stretch out my hands upon Edom, and will cut off man and beast from it.
Yeah, Moses said he can stretch forth his hand unto Edom and will destroy both man and beast. So Edom is not basically a nice place to be, or a nice people to be. Well,
right? And I will make it desolate from Teman, and they of Dedan shall fall by the sword. And I will lay my vengeance upon Edom by the hands of my people Israel, and they shall do in Edom according to mine anger and according to my fury, and they shall know my vengeance, say Yahweh power.
So, in other words, the Most High gonna use the nation of Israel. The scriptures saying that Israel basically is the Most High battle axe. Because the Most High not gonna come down here to deal with this flesh. Because the flesh is basically, he's gonna say, why is earth and ashes proud? Because this is nothing for the Most High. The Most High, you understand? He had things set up in a certain way. You know what I mean? He had his son set up to come and deal with things, affairs and whatever down here. The angel, he's not really here, you know what I mean? Yeah, he's not that kind of. But he said Israel is basically Israel gonna do how he feel. It's how Israel gonna do it because he spread in everything. Moses spirit is in everything. You understand? And Israel is a big portion of his spirit. You know what I mean? Like scripture says, we love all Israel. But Israel gotta be basically put at that because they're not in the right mind. Gotta be set back. Gotta be set back in order. Well.
This is the book of Job.
I'm going to bring this one here. In Jeremiah chapter 2 and verse 14. It says, Is Israel a servant? Is he a homeborn slave? Why is he spoiled? It's just the Most High spoiled, basically the Most High spoiled the nation Israel for the disobedience. And he good in he doings. He just in the judgment that he bringing upon the nation Israel. But Israel basically, why is he a homeboy? Because he's been going in captivity over and over and over. You understand? They're not seeing the wrongdoings. They're not acknowledging the wrongdoings, so they keep going through these captivity over and over and over. Right? That's something there?
Yeah, we're back into Isaiah 11 select here. and I will start from 13. It says, the envy also of Ephraim shall depart, and the adversaries of Judah shall be cut off. Ephraim shall not envy Judah, and Judah shall not vex Ephraim. But they shall fly upon the shoulders of the Philistines towards the west. They shall spoil them of the east together. They shall lay their hands upon Edom and Moab, and the children of Ammon shall obey them.
Yeah, basically we're gonna have all the nations to subdue under the powers of the basically Yahweh Hashem Yahushai. But they will be under Israel, all nations will be under Israel. You know? That to know that Israel, the Most High chose Israel to be that people, that government set up here on the earth. Right? Because all nations basically get a chance and they do shit. You know? The scripture says promotion in the book of Psalms. Promotion come neither from the east nor from the west, but come from the Most High. You know, the Most High set up kings and put them in the rightful order, how he choose and how he wanted to be. Yeah.
This is the book of Revelation 13 and 10. It says, he that leadeth into captivity shall go into captivity.
Yeah, he that leadeth into captivity shall go into captivity. That is the way of the balance. If you the wages of sin is death. That is how the balance is. So the wages of sin is death. If you sin, know that you will surely die. To live, you have to come and acknowledge the law, the statutes and commandments of the Most High. Choose life rather than death. But choosing death rather than life. Because they're basically putting the trust in this carnal world, this carnal system, you know.
And die death.
It's death.
It says, he that killeth with the sword must be killed with the sword. He has the patience and the faith of the saints.
Like the patience and the faith of the saints. That is what the scripture says that we hope for. Because faith is the evidence of things not seen. So every way we put trust in these words. The scripture says the Most High in the book of Psalms 190, 106, it said he was us pure from the beginning. He's a man that he should not lie, so we trust in his words. If they say names out, he put his word above his own name. You know? So we believe in the sure word.
Yeah, so we believe that Esau will go into captivity.
Can.
Right? I don't want to stray too much. Jeremiah 49 and verse 12. It says, for thus saith Yahweh, behold, they whose judgment was not to drink of the cup have assuredly drunken, and art thou he that shall altogether go unpunished.
Yeah, those who was not a drinker, the cup of surely drinking the cup, like slavery, the scripture is speaking about. You know, and Israel drink of that cup, they drink down to they knock we teeth out and make sure we drink of that cup. You know what I mean? How they should knock out the front teeth and pork and knock that thing down the throat. So they pour that slavery down the throat, they knock we teeth out and they pour it down the throat. We drink of that cup. You know? We couldn't save ourselves. You understand? We went into heavy captivity. I'm not really scripture is Israel a homeborn slave. Why is he spoiled? How is Israel going to captivity and captivity, this captivity, that captivity? And in all the captivity, basically the marvel, the heathens, you know, with Cyrus, with Darius, with Nebuchadnezzar, with Pharaoh, all the slaves, it was marveling the heathen. The scripture says vengeance not be, most I say vengeance belongs unto he. Hey, we want to avenge this wicked devil, but we have to wait. The scripture says wait ye on me till I get you up to the prey. You know? We have to wait on the Most High. But those who drink that, we went in that slave, we drink that heavy slave cup. You know, it was heavy upon us, we drink. So, hey, it's only right, it's a balance. Esau had to drink. The scripture said, do unto others that you would like them to do unto you. Well,
It says, and thou art he that shall altogether go unpunished. Thou shalt not go unpunished, but thou shalt surely drink of it.
yeah, thou shalt surely drink of it. You ain't going to go unpunished. If you're going to jump up in heaven and enjoy the goodness of heaven, walk on streets of gold, and do all them things after you done all this wickedness, you think you're going to inherit that?
I will jump on to 16. He said, thy terribleness has deceived thee, and thy pride of thy heart, O thou that dwellest in the clefts of the rocks.
Yeah, your heart quiet, you're far up there. You know? You're in the cliffs of the rock, your heart, you're usually lofty one. Yeah, you lift up yourself. You're above the stars. You're sitting your throne above the stars. First, you're so high-minded. But I just want great fall. You know, fire that fall on the place you're throwing in the stars. That's how hard you're going to fall. You're going to burn up coming down. You're sure your fall going to be surety. Go ahead.
It says, that holdest the height of the hill, though thou shouldest make thy nest as high as the eagle, I will bring thee down from thence.
You make your nest as high as the eagle. You know, you set up your international space station and all that kind of thing. Right? You make sure that you're up there. Yeah, you're above all nations on the earth right now. You're up there in your loftiness. Well,
I will bring thee down from thence, said Yahweh. Also Edom shall be a desolation. Every one that goeth by it shall be astonished, and shall hiss at all his plagues.
as I was saying, I know if I was a fella going to school, they say all will go up, that's come down. And you're going to come down. You set yourself up there, but you're going to come down. Everything that go up, that's come down. You have to come down. And you ain't gonna step down. You're gonna be brought down by Yahweh shine. We're gonna bring it down low. Go ahead.
This is the book of 2 Thessalonians 1 and 6. Seeing it is a righteous thing with Yahweh to recompense tribulation on them that troubled you.
Yeah. And we've been troubling the nation of Israel for a long time. The scripture saying in Ecclesiastes 8 and 11, because sentence against an evil act is not done speedily, it is set anymore in the hearts of the son of men to do wickedness, to do evil. But you know what, Esau? You doing the right thing. You're on the right path.
Mm-hmm. Revelation chapter 6 and verse 10 says, and they cried with a loud voice, saying, how long, O Yahweh, holy and true, doest thou not judge and avenge our blood on them that dwell on the earth?
Yeah, the scripture says, that is Revelation
6.
The souls that was in John the altar.
6 then, yeah.
Yeah, how long? Because remember, this is
See that he said, you see what? With a loud voice, saying, how long, O Lord, holy and true, doest thou not judge and avenge our blood on them that dwell on the earth? Right? The earth is given into the hands of the wicked, which you know is the so-called white man. Right? So the elect ones who already passed, screaming out to the Lord, saying, when they're going to take down this monster.
The trees want to know that. The animals want to know that. You know what I mean? Them waiting for that relief. You know, because this man burning out the forested areas. You know what I mean?
The Amazon.
All over the world, he doing this wickedness. You understand? That's true. He just basically neglecting the works of the Most High. And that's being a fool.
Exactly.
Go ahead.
In Luke 18, I will start from 1 to 8. It says, And he spake a parable unto them to this end, that men ought always to pray. Continue. And not to faint, saying there was in a city a judge which feared not God, neither regarded man. And there was a widow in that city, that she came unto him, saying, Avenge me for mine adversaries. And he would not for a while, but afterwards he said within himself, Though I fear not God, nor regard him, yet because this widow troubled me, I will avenge her, lest by her continual coming she weary me. And Yahweh said, Hear. And Yahweh said, Hear. And Yahweh said, Hear what the unjust judge said. And shall not God avenge his own elect, which cry day and night unto him, though he bear long with them? I tell you that he will avenge them speedily. Nevertheless, when the Son of Man cometh, shall he find faith on the earth? Right? So it tells the Lord cometh to avenge ye. The Lord cometh to bring recompense. Right? We not bring that destruction on the enemies, which is the heathen nation. Ultimately, Esau, he will not get destroyed. You know? Our next scripture here, this is the book of Job
20.
Yeah. The last and final precept is Job 20, verse 8 and 9. It says, He shall fly away as a dream, and shall not be found. Yea, he shall be chased away as a vision of the night.
Yeah. That is good scripture. Say if you didn't know the latter end, you know, because that is basically ending up. You're gonna be basically totally dismantled. According to the book of Obadiah. You know, this monk.
I feel like I will name the video that he's so gonna be totally dismantled.
Yeah. It makes no sense leaving this man to do what? The how he doing is polluted. What could come of what's something that is made crooked? Who can make it straight?
Most High.
But the Most High made it crooked.
We can make it straight.
So how are we gonna make it straight by bird? Again, totally. Yeah, because you make it for a certain reason. You know, scripture say you made the wicked for the day of evil. You know?
Well, let's finish this week.
Go ahead.
Verse 10, it says, His children shall, verse 9, it says, The eyes also which saw him shall see him no more, neither shall his place any more behold him.
Yeah, and that's his place any more. We don't want this man to play on the planet, right? The scripture says, and after Cain, Moses say you'll be a vagabond yet. You're supposed to be running and hiding and ducking on the road, you're chasing like a thief. You in power and ruling the earth. You mash up the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat. The head, the mindset of the woman. The mindset of you can't, hey. You need to get rid of you, hey. That making no sense. Why keep you around? To do what? For me to see.
This is Sirach 10 and 8. Because of unrighteous dealings, injuries, and riches, God by deceit, the kingdom is translated from one people to another.
Can. Scripture say when the righteous in rulership, the people rejoice. But when the wicked ruling, there's mourn. And right now the animals are mourning, the trees are mourning. You know? All nations in mourning because of this man. This beginning to agree with this man.
Okay.
You know? And with that,
okay.
I want to say all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Hashem Yahushai, Hashem HaKadosh. The honors to the apostles of great ministry that surely rule well, and salutations to the brothers that do this work in sincerity and truth. Shalom.
So if you kind of job, you know, it's afterwards, you know, kind of tired, but you know, we still have to do work.
Can.
Shalom.
Shalom.